Welcome back to the show. This is 1200 CHD Harley Sporty coming at you with another video. What's going on right now? I got the tire out, I got the forks off, and right here I got the forks. I'm on the third step already. We're talking about repairing fork seals. They're really grimy, guys. I want you to see this. I stopped what I was doing. I said I'm gonna make a video about it. They're really grimy. The dirt that I got out of them. Let me show you what I mean. Yeah, I'm showing you the bucket here is what I got on my tools. This is the clean one. This is about as clean as they get. And this is the leak. That's bad. Grimy. Slimy. You'd think there would be clean. This is just a dust cover. And look at all that dust that's preventing. But you see that oil too, right? That's the bad one. Look at that. This is a good one. And it's still got oil in it. Now, here's where it gets really fucked up. So you don't know what's going on in there. You see that, guys? That's what's going on in there. I don't want you guys to be having that problem. So that's why I made a video about it, and I'm gonna make a video when I get the parts on how to replace fork seals. So this is part one. I'm shining them out. Sandpaper, as you can see. While I'm at it, get them shiny, polishy. Use thinner. Take out any paint that is, how would it be? Acrylic painting? Sorry. Showing you my plants there for a second. So yeah, then I'm gonna start this one. But if you could see in there, wow, is it ever bad? It's grimy. That's the bad one. And if you can take these nicks out, you'll find some nicks on there. Those nicks, wool, we'll take it out. I got green wool here. Let me show you just a bit. This is a green wool from Home Depot. It's not doing the job, but green wool, gray wool, you can get gray wool. I don't know where you can get it because I'm on the island, as you can been following my videos maybe. So I would have to use something better than that. Yeah, those seals gotta get out. Look at that. I gotta sand all that down. Here, let me get you a good view. And you can see it on the other one too. And then a good clean as well. You're gonna wanna sand this stuff out. That's acrylic that you see there. You wanna take off the acrylic, sand them, and then apply acrylic again. Fresh acrylic, spray acrylic. So I started with 100. I'm gonna go down to 2,000. So 100, 120, 1,000. Maybe push a 180 between before I hit the 1,000, and then finish it off with 2,000. Great. But that's to come videos. For now, I just want to show you that you might think that nothing's happening in there. This is a 9-year-old bike now. Gotta take good care of it, maintain it well. I'm a stay-at-home dad. Every chance I get, I work on my bike, bringing you new videos. So if you haven't subscribed already, please do. We'll be seeing you. Thanks for subscribing and keep watching 1200 CHD videos. Share my videos, please. Thank you.